Hey guys, welcome to Coding 101. This is the 22nd day of 30 days of code, and in this tutorial we will learn about binary search tree. So, this is the input and the output format of the problem. Now let's come to the coding part, as I have already read the question. Let's get to the expanded view and select Java 7, as we will be solving this problem in Java 7. First of all, create two integer variables, named height left, and height right, and initialize them to 0. These variables will store the height of the left node and right node of the binary search tree respectively. Now, we will check if there are nodes present on the left side of the root. If yes, then we will get the height of the node from root, and store it to the variable. We will increase it by 1 because the height of a binary search tree starts from 0. We will do the same for right side of the node, and store the height in the respective variable. After that, we will apply ternary operator, and check if the left height is greater than right height. If true, then we will return height left, and if false, then we will return height right. And with that we have completed our code. Let's run our code and see if it compiles and successfully run or not. Now, submit your code, as the sample test case runs perfectly. And with that we have successfully completed one more day of code from 30 days of code. Meet you in the next video. Till then, please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out any videos in future.